Hi, this is Anusmriti Sarkar and you are watching News Today.
Now we have as an institute become the world largest accounting body in last 75 years, and in our institute also we have a huge number of students are joining our course. We have just changed our syllabus last year, and after changing the syllabus, a phenomenal increase in the number of students joining the CA course has increased. Last year alone, after change of syllabus, 1,38,000 newly plus 2 students join our CA course. And that's why every year we are getting more than 1 lakh students to join CA course. AI in ICI, we have made a committee in which every student, member and the employee of the ICI should be well versed with the latest development of artificial intelligence. Otherwise, they will not be able to perform the way it is expected from them to perform. And that's why we have come out with a various initiative as a CA GPT tool we have developed. We have come out with a certificate course on AI. We have come out with a various program on AI. And the next, after 2 months, in the month of October 2024, non-financial reporting. Just to let me tell you, time is now coming. আমাদের যে ব্যালেন্স শিট হয়, যে ফাইন্যান্সিয়াল স্টেটমেন্ট হয়, ওর মধ্যে ডেটা আছে. Now those data will be the one part. Now the time is coming as per the SEBI and other regulator, non-financial data is also going to be mandatory. এখনই 1000 top listed company BRSR একটা স্ট্যান্ডার্ড আছে, অলরেডি অ্যাপ্লিকেবল আছে. They have to report non-financial data, which means a company is operating in an area, whether that area is disturbed by the operation of that company or not. How many carbon emission ওই কোম্পানিটা প্রডিউস করছে, how the company is damaging the environment. All these parameters has to be reported in the audit report in the times to come. Based on this non-financial reporting by the auditor, the credit will be given by the RBI and the bank to that industry. And all the regulators, SEBI, RBI, CAG, we all are working together how to empower the working of the financial statement so that the financial and the non-financial both can be integrated, a complete picture can be given to the general public at large. So what we are now proposing to the government also, আমাদের যে annual report আছে, audit report আছে, that can be converted in the audio and video mode. So he or she may not be literate, but if he wants to know the local language in his own language, এর মধ্যে কি লেখা আছে, he or she can listen and can see in their own regional language through artificial intelligence. This is the future of the audit reporting is going to be in the future. আমাদের two major initiatives which we are doing as a social cause. One is the financial and tax literacy. এখনই ইন্ডিয়াতে as per the reports 27% financial literacy আছে. Now if the country has to be developed, the report says this financial report of literacy of 23% has to be 87% and more. Now to achieve the 87% and more, it is the duty of each and every person, not of the government only. Government cannot make every citizen financial literate. So we as an institute has also taken a social initiative to have a financial literacy drive in 12 regional language. And we are having a small session seminar so that the small people can be financially literate as far as বেসিক্স অফ দ্য ফাইন্যান্স ইজ কনসার্ন। আমাদের ফান্ড আছে, গভর্নমেন্টটা গ্রান্ট দেয়, বাট মিউনিসিপ্যালিটিতে আছে, মিউনিসিপ্যাল বডি পঞ্চায়েতে আছে, বাট ওয়েদার ফাইন্যান্সিয়াল ডিসিপ্লিন আছে, ওর মধ্যে কি বরাবর রিপোর্টিং হচ্ছে।
আমাদের আজকের কনফারেন্স वी थीमे ऊपर আছে। वी इज़ ऑल अबाउट इंक्लूसिविटी, कोलैबोरेशन, और ये हम लोग कैसे मिल के एक भविष्य, उज्जवल भविष्य की तरफ जा सके, कैसे हम चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट मिल के देश को और समाज को आगे बढ़ा सके, उसके लिए हमने ये कॉन्फ्रेंस रखा है। तो संजीव सांगी, मैं चेयरमैन हूँ ईस्टर्न इंडिया रीजनल काउंसिल ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स ऑफ इंडिया।
ये 49th रीजनल कॉन्फ्रेंस है हमारा कलकत्ता में, जिसमें 2 दिन के लिए हम लोग कई टॉपिकों पर स्टूडेंट और मेंबर को जानकारियां मुहैया कराते हैं। जैसे आज हमारे यहाँ 3500 से ज़्यादा चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट रजिस्टर्ड हुए हैं, जिसमें हम कैपिटल मार्केट, कॉरपोरेट लॉ, डायरेक्ट टैक्स, जीएसटी, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, सस्टेनेबिलिटी रिपोर्टिंग, सारी टॉपिकों पर उसको अपडेट करते हैं, अवेयरनेस करते हैं, ताकि वो जो नए नए डेवलपमेंट्स हो रहे हैं उसकी जानकारी रखें और अपने काम को अंजाम दें।
सर, हर बार आप लोगों का अलग अलग थीम होता है, इस बार का क्या?
इस बार का हमारा थीम है वी मीन्स कि वी एज ए इंक्लूसिव अप्रोच, वी टुगेदर हैज़ टू वर्क एज ए स्टूडेंट, एज ए मेंबर, एज ए एम्प्लॉई, एज ए बिजनेस, एज ए स्टेक होल्डर, एज ए रेगुलेटर, everybody has to work together. That's why we have kept this theme as a we. Today we have Eastern India Regional Council 49th Regional Conference at this place for 2 days. It's an annual affair wherein every regional council has to conduct this 2-day affair. There are 5 regional council in India. Eastern India is one of them, and I'm very happy that 49th Regional Conference of Eastern India Council being conducted today, in which 3,500 chartered accountants have registered, and for next 2 days they will learn the artificial intelligence, the sustainability reporting, the capital market nitty-gritty, the stock market, the corporate law, the direct tax, the GST, all these subjects they will be given updates and how they can update themselves to deliver their role as a chartered accountant. And it will be a very enlightening experience to them to have this 2-day conference.